Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the next lesson of today. And on today's lesson, we're gonna go over some punches and elbow strikes. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe, because at the very end of the video, I'll be announcing a very special giveaway, okay? So let's get started with the warm-up. Chariot, Hinie. Awesome, all right, jumping jacks, repeat after me. Everyone say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Awesome job, you guys. All right, so swinging your arms, ready, Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it. Good. Last little warm up, hands on the knees. We're gonna bounce twice down. Everyone say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, Toss it, Yasit, Yigop, Yeder, Ahop, yeah. Nice. Good job, you guys. Have five. Great warm up. Now, Dojo said he has something special to show us today. So let's go ahead and see what Dojo found. Hey Dojo, say, what do you got over there? Is that a meteorite? Let's take a look, you guys. Wow, this is awesome. This is a real meteor. And I hear someone's voice. Sounds like maybe someone is trapped inside. Should we open it to see who's inside of it? Okay, awesome. All right, so here's what we gotta do. We're gonna do an elbow smash to smash this meteor open. So I'm gonna go and pick up your elbow just like this. Good, awesome. All right, we're gonna do 3 elbow smashes. When I say Hana, we're gonna elbow it 1 time. Hopefully a piece flies off, and then we'll keep doing it 2 more times, okay? Ready? Everyone together, everyone say Hana. Good, do it. 1 more, set. Nice, good, good. Whoa, what's that sticky goo? Dojo, get away from it. Dojo, don't touch it. Oh no. Looks like Dojo has got the symbiote. All right, guys, we got to get Dojo out of this. Now, the symbiote's weaknesses are fire and sound. So here's what we're going to practice. We're going to throw some fire punches, and we're going to throw some sonic boom elbows. Can you do that with me today? Awesome, good. All right, hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. All right, fire jab. I'm going to go jab, cross, hook. Good. Again, fire jab and punches. Ready, go jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good. All right, we're gonna do some sonic boom elbows. So we're gonna go up elbow and then power sonic boom elbow. Ready? Everyone go up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, ready, go up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, good. All right, now we're gonna combine fire with our sound. So here's what I want you guys to do. When I say go, we're gonna go jab, cross, up elbow, power elbow, combining fire and sound. Hopefully that gets the symbiote off of Dojo. Ready? Let's do it together. Everyone go jab, cross, up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, it's not working good enough. Let's try it again, even harder. Ready, go jab, cross, up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, let's give it one more try. Maybe this will do the trick. Ready, go jab, cross, up elbow, power elbow. Awesome, oh man. It's still not working, you guys. Uh-oh. Oh. Dojo just broke through the wall. Looks like he's heading to the city. Let's go to the city, you guys. All right. Oh, there's Dojo is. Uh-oh. Looks like he's causing so much chaos. He's throwing cars everywhere. All right, guys. What other ideas do we have? What's that? Oh, the bell? Should we bring the bell really, really loud to see if it gets the symbiote off of Dojo? All right, well, it's worth a try. All right, guys, here's what we gotta do. The bell is up here. What we have to practice is we got a front kick up high. And when we front kick up high, hopefully it rings loud enough to get rid of the symbiote off of Dojo. Okay, so let's do it together. Ready? Everyone say front kick. Good. No, that's not good enough. I think we gotta do this 5 more times. Everyone say front kick. Good. Front kick. Good. Front kick. Good, I think it's working. 2 more times, front kick. 1 more, front kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. We got the symbiote off the Dojo, high five. Awesome, all right, let's put the symbiote in a container. All right, so hopefully we don't have to deal with that ever again. You guys did a fantastic job. Now, before I announce today's giveaway winner, I wanna let you guys know something really awesome. Right when this class ends at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're gonna be heading over to Dojo Go TV, and then we're gonna do a live Zoom session. So parents, if you are interested in having your kids learn martial arts online, they want to do a live Zoom class with me, we do them every Saturday at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested, just click the link down below. You guys will get a free trial so that way you guys can do that class. And it comes with a bunch of other stuff too. It comes with all the courses that we have, the 6-week program, the Lost Gems program, and all the courses moving forward. Plus, your kids get to see me every week in a live Zoom class. So if you're interested, again, click the link down below. Now, let's announce today's giveaway winner. Awesome, so parents or kids, if this is your name, your username, please send me a message on the About page section of my channel. You guys have won 3 months of Dojo Go TV. Congratulations. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Facing here, Jadiet, Kanye. Awesome, see y'all next time, bye-bye. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.